Hey there. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to send money abroad? Maybe you're supporting family overseas, paying for international studies, or simply making a one-time payment. If so, you've probably come across the question, can I send money abroad with Tide? Today, we're diving deep into that very query. We'll explore how Tide works, what fees you can expect, and whether it's the right choice for your international money transfer needs. So, let's get started. Understanding Tide. Tide isn't just another bank, it's a financial technology platform designed to simplify banking for small businesses and freelancers. While it's primarily known for its business banking features, it also offers personal accounts that come with a range of functionalities, including international money transfers. How does Tide handle international transfers? To send money abroad with Tide, you'll typically follow these steps. Log into your Tide account. Navigate to the International Transfer feature. Enter the recipient's details, including their name, bank account number, and SWIFT code. Specify the amount you want to send. Choose your preferred currency. Review the transaction details and fees. Confirm the transfer. Fees and exchange rates. When sending money abroad, fees and exchange rates are crucial factors to consider. Tide does charge fees for international transfers, but the exact amount can vary depending on several factors, such as the amount you're sending, the currencies involved, the recipient's country. It's essential to check Tide's fee structure before making a transfer to get a clear understanding of the costs involved. Additionally, Tide uses competitive exchange rates, but it's always a good idea to compare them with other providers to ensure you're getting the best deal. Speed and security. Speed and security are two other important aspects to consider when choosing an international money transfer service. Tide generally offers relatively fast transfer times, but the exact speed can depend on factors like the recipient's bank and the currencies involved. Regarding security, Tide employs robust security measures to protect your funds and personal information. They use advanced encryption technologies and adhere to industry best practices to ensure your transactions are safe. Advantages of using Tide for international transfers. Ease of use. Tide's user-friendly interface makes it simple to send money abroad. Competitive fees. While Tide does charge fees, they are generally competitive compared to other providers. Competitive exchange rates. Tide offers favorable exchange rates for international transfers. Security. Tide prioritizes security to protect your funds and personal information. Integration with business banking. If you're a small business owner, Tide can streamline your international payments. Disadvantages of using Tide for international transfers. Limited currency options. Tide may not support all currencies, which could be a limitation for some users. Potential for higher fees for larger transfers. While the fees are generally competitive, they might increase for larger transfers. Slower transfer times. In some cases, the transfer speed can vary depending on the recipient's bank and the currencies involved. Alternatives to Tide. If you're considering alternatives to Tide for international money transfers, here are a few options to explore. Traditional banks. Many banks offer international transfer services, but they might have higher fees and less favorable exchange rates. Online money transfer services. Companies like TransferWise, now known as Wise, and Remitly specialize in international money transfers and often offer competitive rates and fees. Peer-to-peer payment platforms. Platforms like PayPal and Venmo can be used for international payments, but they might have limitations and higher fees. So, can you send money abroad with Tide? The answer is yes. Tide offers a convenient and secure way to transfer funds internationally, with competitive fees and exchange rates. However, it's essential to weigh the advantages and disadvantages against your specific needs and preferences. By understanding how Tide works, the fees involved, and the available alternatives, you can make an informed decision about whether Tide is the right choice for your international money transfer requirements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.